Yay, it's Self-Care Saturday. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video, which is sponsored by a company called Qimistri. So a representative from the company Qimistri reached out to me and they wanted to send me 2 of their newest products for me to use on this wonderful self-care Saturday. Saturdays is the day that I love to do hair masks, hair treatments, and masks on my face, of course, to keep my skin as well as my body nice, healthy, clear, and smooth. So let me show you right here how I use their 100% organic argan oil as well as their white chocolate strawberry argan buttercream on this self-care Saturday. Enjoy! Don't mind my messy hair, it's our self-care day, so we're gonna fix it. So I've done everything I have to do today. I'm ready to take off the day, take off my makeup, put a nice skincare mask on, do my hair, put a nice treatment in it, and just enjoy my self-care. So first I'm going to use the white chocolate strawberry argan buttercream, and you can use this on wet hair or dry hair. Since my hair is dry, it says rub a dime size into your hand and apply to the ends of your hair, and put a small amount on the tips of your fingers and apply to the scalp. It's very thick, so I can't wait to use it on my hair. And I'm also going to use this pure organic argan oil, which it says comes from Morocco in its purest form. It's known as liquid gold because of its benefits to your body. It has anti-inflammatory abilities and adds incredible shine to your hair. You can use it as a skin moisturizer, and you can also use it in your hair to lock in moisture without weighing it down. It falls between light and heavy oils to create the perfect match for thin or thick hair. I definitely love argan oil, but I've never used organic argan oil before, so I'm super excited to try this out too. Let me put my hair into 4 sections and then I'm going to show you how I use the products. Okay, so for this part, I'm going to add the buttercream first. It's thick, like it's super thick, but that's good because my hair is super dry. Especially now, for some reason my hair is like super dry. Now I'm gonna add a couple of drops of the 100% organic argan oil. So I'm adding both. This feels so nice when you massage your scalp. Oh my god, it feels so good. Now I'm gonna comb this section and go on to the next one. Comb it through so it evenly distributes the product, and then go on to the next section. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like chocolates and strawberries. Honestly, that's exactly what it smells like. And I'll give myself a final massage once I am done with all of the sections. I hope you guys have been staying safe and staying healthy. Definitely let me know how you're all doing in the comments section down below. Hope you're all doing good. Okay, is your hair dry or is your hair oily? Let me know in the comment section down below. I have very dry hair, but then after 4 days, I would say, of me having it down and wearing it straight, then it starts to get super oily, and it starts to get super oily at the scalp. so then the rest of my hair is like dry. So like this is oily and then this is dry, so it looks like what? My hair is a mess. My hair does its own. I just let it do what it wants to do. Just look how shiny it is. Like look how shiny my hair is. It's crazy. Butter is very, very thick. It's very thick. All right, here's my 4 sections. I'm gonna give it a little massage and then I'm going to let it sit. This feels so good, so good. It feels so good. And these products smell amazing. Massage my scalp real good. And now I'm going to put it back up and let it sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. And then go wash it out and continue with the rest of my routine. Enjoy the rest of the video. So what do you guys think? Are you interested in trying these products? These products are very, very affordable and I have noticed such a difference in my hair while using them. My hair feels so much softer, so much smoother, and I cannot wait for you guys to try these products. I will put a link in the description box. Make sure you go down there, click on the link, and it'll take you straight to their website. You can check out all the products that they have. Let them know I sent you. And of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below, what do you all do for self-care? Do you like to do hair treatments, hair masks? Do you like to do masks on your skin, on your face? What do you like to do? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always interested to hear what you all think and what products you all like to use and what do you like to do for self-care. Self-care is especially important during this time since we are all going through this together, and I think self-care helps to keep your mind and your body and just your mental health in a good space. So I love doing my self-care Saturdays and my backup day is Sunday, so I usually do my self-care regimen on the weekend, and it helps keep me focused and centered, and it helps me start the week off on a good foot. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. I enjoy spending time with you all. And of course, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends and products, look and feel your best, keep up with the beauty community, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload every Sunday and every Monday, so don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click that bell so you can come and hang out with the family. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout my videos as well as in the description box down below. Click on the link in the description box and I will check you all out very, very soon. Bye!